How to remove Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Facebook account. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, in order to remove your Facebook account, what you can do is first you'll have to log out. You can simply open up Facebook, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, scroll all the way down below, tap on logout and log out. Now here, you'll be able to see list of profiles that is saved in your device, right? Even if you have logged out. Now what you can do is you can tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, what you can do is you can simply tap on the particular profile that you wish to remove, and then you can see the remove profile option there on the screen. You can tap on remove profile and it'll get removed. Similarly, you can head back and do so for the other accounts that is saved in, so they'll get removed. So this way you can remove Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.